And there is another command which help you to determine which user you logged in. Like if currently showing Tom here, okay, but I am not sure, so I have command who am I, Tom. If I become a root user, root, then password of that root user, I will run this who am I, so I will get root. The current logins currently you are using a bash, this terminal, so you are using as a root. If I go back and who am I now, who am I, okay, now I'm using as a Tom. So this will help you to determine who you are in the system right now. Okay, you log in as a root, but now you are acting as a Tom, so you will perform all the tasks Tom can perform, not a root user. Okay, so this command will help you when you are like switching to multiple users and doing some tasks and you forgot which user you logged in the last. So you use this who am I command.